So usually when I go outside at this time to check eggs, it's kind of crazy in the chicken coop. Let's see if it is this morning. Oh, it is crazy. We got two ladies laying some eggs. Hello. Are you gonna let me get some eggs or do I need to wait? Are you mad at me? Am I disturbing you? Okay. Okay, but I do see one over here. This is somebody's spot to lay. So we're gonna collect this one. And I think I'm gonna leave you ladies. Oh, we do have more. Let's see. How many? How many? Ow, don't peck me. It's okay. We have 2 plus 2 more. Any more down there? Nope, no more. Thank you, Dusty. Thank you. And just as I left, everybody leaves. What do we have over here? We have 2. I know. I hear you, baby. I hear you. I hear you. Is that the box you want? Okay. All right. Well, you do your thing. We'll be back later. So, this was the collection from this morning. 2, 4, 6, 7 eggs. They've been pretty busy, and it's only almost 8 o'clock.